Hi! It's just another day of working from home for this mommy.
Mommy!
So you have the mess there at the back. You have this little guy and she left us. And the little baby.
We left us because she doesn't like us.
Yes. Okay. So this is how it is to work from home.
Look.
Okay. So Tonya, can I interview you? How are you? How do you like it that mommy works from home? Do you like it or no?
On a scale of 200%.
Again louder. Talk to
On a
them.
scale of 200%.
Why?
Because you're not going to.
Don't say company names because you.
Because you're wrong. I don't want you to go someplace else. Like
Why? But you go to school naman.
No, but I don't like you to go somewhere else. I want you to stay here sa house.
Why do you want me to stay sa house?
Because sometimes pagbalik ko sa school nung nasa ikaw, and nasa work ikaw. Tapos, after that, when I come back, you're not there pa. You need to wait sa midnight pa.
You miss me. Pag nandito naman ako, we fight. Is that okay?
Yeah.
It's okay to fight?
I don't want you to leave because I will die.
Why no you?
I will die of starvation.
I don't even cook for you. Okay. So, mas gusto mo yun na mommy stays at home?
Yes.
Even if working?
Yes.
Even if not paying attention to you and just looking at the computer?
Yes, mommy, look, there's a bubble.
Oh, but mommy has a message for you also.
Where?
When mommy is working from home, you don't disturb me.
What message?
Yun nga ang message ko sa'yo. Don't disturb me.
Mommy, what's that?
Or else, I need to find work na hindi work from home. So, this is how it is to work from home. You don't usually get to clean the mess there because you have to work. And you have these kids coming in and out. And you don't get to like fix yourself,
Mommy, there's
and comb your hair. So sometimes it's like this the whole day. But I don't know. You get work done. You get to be with your kids. And I guess that's like a balance that you just have to learn. You just have to learn how to manage. So she's just gonna say hello now, and then I'm going to kick them out of the room.
No!
So I can go back to work. Okay, so I'd like to know how you guys feel about working from home.
No, Mommy,
So I guess
don't kick me out. I'm going to stop because
so I guess it's a choice between office politics or kids being there for you the whole day. So sometimes I get to work when they're asleep. So that means
No, but I don't get asleep.
late
At
sleeping hours for
Mommy,
me.
at morning I don't sleep.
But it still works. There's still more positives than the negatives.
I'm going to do my homework.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Dun 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 dun.